research study entitled Regional Variations in Interpersonal Competence Among Islamic Religious Education Teachers in Indonesia. This presentation summarizes the key aspects, findings, and implementation of the study, background of the topic. This presentation focuses on the importance of international competence among Islamic. This presentation focuses on the importance of interpersonal competence among Islamic religious education or IRI teachers in Indonesia. Interpersonal competence which includes communication, empathy, and collaboration plays a crucial role in shaping teachers' professionalism and the quality of learning in religious education. However, despite Indonesia's vast and diverse geographical and socio-cultural context, little research has explored how interpersonal competence varies across regions. Previous studies generally discuss teacher skill, motivation, or pedagogical ranges, but there is limited empirical evidence comparing teachers in urban and rural settings or across different islands. Therefore, this study aims to investigate regional disparities in interpersonal competence among IRI teachers and identify the school demographic factors the influence this difference by addressing this research gap. The study provides valuable insights into educational inequality and highlights the need for context-sensitive teachers development programs. Research problem are there significant difference in the interpersonal competence of Islamic religious education IRI teachers between urban and rural religions in Indonesia. How does the interpersonal competence of IRI teachers vary across major Indonesia? Island and regional context, which socio-demographic factor influence the variations in interpersonal competence among IRI teachers. How do statistical analysis and this mapping illustrate regional disparities in teachers' interpersonal competence? Purpose of the study to analyze the difference in interpersonal competence between urban and rural IRI teachers in Indonesia. One, to analyze the difference in interpersonal competence between urban and rural IRI teachers For to present spatial presence of regional inequalities, using this mapping to support a deeper understanding of contextual disparities method. This research used a quality survey design. The participants were Islamic religious education teachers selected through structured random sampling from multiple Indonesia provinces. Data were collected using an online Leica questionnaire, while offline data collection was conducted in areas with limited internet access. The instrument measured key aspects of interpersonal competence. Disparate studies were used to identify overall patterns, and ANOVA was applied to examine difference across religions. Additionally, religions analysis was conducted to determine socio-demographic predictors of interpersonal competence. Spatial variations were illustrated using this mapping. All data were analyzed using spatial producers, and findings were interpreted based on regional and socio-cultural context. Our findings indicate significant regional disparities in the interpersonal competence of Islamic religious education teachers. Urban teachers reported higher levels of the interpersonal competence compared to teachers working in rural areas. Second, there were notable differences across major Indonesia islands, with teachers from areas with better infrastructure and stronger educational support system showing higher competence scores. Their demographic factors such as teaching experience, professional training, and school environment were found to be meaningful predictors of interpersonal competence. The GIS maps used in the study visual highlighted cultures of either high or low competence across provinces. This finding confirmed that geography, cultural, and infrastructural context strongly influence teacher interpersonal skills and overall professionalism. The results suggest the interpersonal competence among either teachers is not evenly distributed across Indonesia. Teachers in urban regions tend to benefit from better training opportunities, stronger school cultures, and greater access to educational resources. This aligns with previous studies that highlight the challenge faced by rural teachers, such as limited support, isolation, and inadequate professional development. The findings also support the an educational institution to promote educational equity. Teacher development program must be adapted to regional context and provide target support for rural areas. Enhancing interpersonal competence in STL for improving the quality of Islamic education notably. Scholar selection and recommendation. I. Consolation this study reflects clear regional inequalities in the interpersonal competence of Islamic religious education that's urban. This teacher demonstrates higher competence and school demographic factors significantly support this difference while the study contributed valuable empirical evidence. It is limited by its relation on self-reported data and it is focused on selected religion. Therefore, future research should include qualitative approach and with regional cover. This study recommends that teachers training programs protect rural areas and corporate context sensitive strategies to strengthen interpersonal competence and support equitable Islamic education in Indonesia. Do you want ask Chris?
I want to ask about this clear. What is the main program education in this study?
Okay. The study examines whether there are significant religion differences in interpersonal competence among IRI teachers in Indonesia, especially between urban and rural regions. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question. Hopefully, this research will bring blessing and become a question quality that is vital for the development of truly inclusive Islam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.